I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Welcome back, Decatur High School. Today is Tuesday, and these are your announcements. If you are wishing to run, jump, or throw for the DHS women's track team, please stop by A225 and talk to Coach Park. Even if you are playing sports right now, he needs your sizes. Sophomores and juniors, if you would like to attend a college fair during school on Friday, January 26th, which is going to be next Friday, from 9 to 11 in Fort Worth, please come into the first floor office and pick up a permission slip. If you do not do that, you will not be allowed to attend. Students who would like a new calendar for the spring should see Miss Russell in 235 or Miss Johnson in the first floor office. Boys track and field will start after school tomorrow. Meet at the track no later than 4. See Coach Wren in 212 if you have any questions. Parents and students on Thursday, January 25th, that is next Thursday, there will be 2 parent and student informational meetings in the auditorium regarding scheduling for next year from 5:30 to 6:30 in the auditorium. The counselors will present the incoming sophomores and juniors, and from 6:30 to 8, the incoming freshmen and their parents will receive information. Identical presentations will be held on the following Monday, January 29th, in the auditorium at the same time. On Tuesday, January 30th, the counselors will host a coffee with counselors from 8 to 10 in the first floor office for parents who have questions regarding scheduling. So that'll be the day after the scheduling meetings. And then the art program is collecting old cell phones, iPads, and inkjet printer cartridges for recycling fundraiser until February. Turn them in to Miss Burdette in room A115. Now for sports with Crazy Colin.
And I got a colorful aura, like I got neon guts.
Eagles basketball here against Bridgeport. Guys play at 8 and the girls play at 6:15. And then we have soccer at Eaton High School. Girls play at 5, guys play at 7. And then anyone wanting to try out for baseball, please see Coach Maddox in room 305A to sign the sheet before next Wednesday.
Now for Coach Park's 2 cents.
Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, I say it's alright. Everybody in the club.
And remember, DHS, seek opportunities to show you care. Sometimes the smallest of gestures make the biggest difference. It's my 2 cents. God bless America. Eat more beef. Have a great day.
Now for the question of the week.
Question of the week is, what's your favorite thing to do on the weekend? Suggestion box is going to be out here by Coach Park's room. Like, just sign a paper and put it in there. All right? There's a paper and pen out there for you guys to use, okay?
Have a great day.
Have a great day.